I was having this question of how do we start a for loop from any random value. What we have basically in a standard for loop is we have a iterating variable, and then when we iterate it, we don't have the power to control the starting of a for loop. It will print it in order. And so how can you do that? How can you iterate from any random value? So we'll use this random library and import randrange. Then let's store length of the iterating variable in length, and let's define another variable, another list or another iterating variable which starts from any random number till the length of the variable. Okay, and when we print it, we'll have something like this. Now by chance it is showing the full length. Let's run it again. Yeah, and now it's showing just one variable, and that's how you can iterate from any random value to the end of the iterating variable. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, any doubts that you want to solve, just comment in the comment section. Be curious and keep learning.